Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to host a website for free using Cloudflare. First, open your browser and go to the Cloudflare website. Log into your account. If you do not have an account, sign up using your email and complete the verification. After logging in, you will land on the dashboard. Look at the left side menu and click on Compute. After that, click on Workers and Pages. This is where Cloudflare allows you to deploy websites and serverless apps. Now, click on Create Application. Next, you will see multiple options to connect your project with Cloudflare. You can use a GitHub repository or choose to upload your project's assets instead. This option lets you upload your website files directly from your computer. Now you will be asked to upload your files. Prepare your website files before this step. Make sure your main file is named index.html. You can upload a zip file or drag and drop a folder that contains all your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image files. Enter a project name. This name is important because Cloudflare will automatically generate a live URL using it. You can keep it simple and related to your website. Click on Deploy to move forward. Wait for the upload to finish. Cloudflare will now start deploying your website across its global network. This usually takes a few seconds. After deployment is complete, you will see a success screen with your live website link. Click on Visit to open your website and confirm everything is working correctly. Your website is now live and accessible from anywhere. Thanks for watching.